Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll showing you how to delete your Twitter or X account temporarily or permanently in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, let's open the Twitter or X app on our iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. Then, click on your profile picture or your account icon in the top left corner to access the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Support. And then tap on Settings and Privacy here. This is going to open up our X settings. So, click on the first option, which is your account. And it will redirect to this page with 4 different options. Now, select the last option, which is Deactivate your account. Tap on it. As you can see here, we don't have a dedicated delete button, but we will have to deactivate our account first. After the 30 days, your X or Twitter account will be permanently deleted and you can't get it back. Thus, if you want to delete your account permanently, just don't reactivate your account in the next 30 days and it will be deleted forever. But, if let's say you want to change your mind, you can always restore your account by logging in within a period of 30 days. So, once you have made the decision, just proceed to click on the Deactivate button. Now, enter your password. Then, click Yes, Deactivate. That's it. Now, your X or Twitter account already is deactivated. Keep in mind, when the account is deactivated, your profile and everything else will be hidden and no one will be able to find it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.